Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the part 3 of my video. In my first video, I'd show you how to create
Hey
this
guys,
database.
so in this episode,
Okay, how we create how I created the database. Okay, and my second video, it was a I'd show you how to print receipts. So in this episode, guys, we'll show you how to generate a PDF in AppSheet. Just a quick recap for my just a quick recap of my part 2 of the video. So when you create an order here, for example, okay, then once you save it, you can print receipts by the last transaction is receipt number 8. You can print receipt by doing this, save. So in my second video, I show it to you how to generate this receipt. Okay, so it's downloaded. Let me see. It's here. Okay, so I'd show you how to generate this PDF in my second video. So this is the free version way. Okay, so this time I am using my second app, my second account, which is the core version. I will show you how to generate a PDF and instantly once you created an order, it will generate a PDF automatically. All right, so I want this table, the order form, when I added a new data, for example here, order form, once I save it, I want the PDF displays here, and I can just click and print. No need to edit this and choose receipt number. Okay, no need this thing. There's another way. Let's go to the editor. So let's go to the automation here. In automation, let's name this boot as, let's say, generate receipt PDF. Okay, then you can configure this event. Okay, create a custom event. Then you can rename this event, let's say step 1. Okay, so I want all changes. So you can choose the table. So product, no. So I want this order form. Okay, so let's go back there. So let me choose order form. When there is new order created, it generates a receipts, a PDF. Okay, all good. Then we had to run the process. Then click create new process. You can title this step 1. Let's say step 1.1. Then add create custom step. Then here, click this new task. You keep it as step 2. So here in this task, just take note, I will just summarize. Then you need to create a boot name, event, process. Then the last one is the task, which is this one. You need to create a file. Okay. And then choose a file template. You can just click this. It will automatically generate the template, and later on you will rearrange it. Then folder path, you can keep it empty. It will save in the drive. Then disable timestamp. Then you can choose, let's say I want to use A4. Then let's say I want portrait. Okay. Then save. All right. So now let's view this one. Let's view this the template. So in the template, guys, you can edit this. This is equivalent to a column value. Okay. So what you're gonna do, let's say I will go to my drive. Let's say, okay, this one, this template, let's say I want to copy. Okay, I want to copy my template. Let's say I want just copy this and paste it here, for example. Okay, for example, this is my receipt. Okay, so let me remove these things very quick. Okay, so I would suggest you create a format. Okay, let's do it quick. Then the date column, I should put it in, so you copy this and put it in date column here. Okay, and also you can put it there. Then receipt number, let's say you look for this, you copy and paste it here. All right, then items, let's say here the item 1. So item 1 will be here. Then item 2 will be here. Let's say until you finish all this thing. Okay, unit price 1. So basically, guys, you have to copy all of this, and in short, you have to rearrange. Okay, let's say insert table 1 2 3 4. Let's say like that. already created the receipt. I already rearranged, so this one represent each column. So you have just to make your format. You can put your logo, then you will rearrange the columns. So this one and this one, item, subtotal, discount. All right, so we are ready. So once you're done for that, you close it. Okay. All right, then let's go back to our automation, to our task. So we have to go for this one. We have to change the file name prefix. So every time you create a data, let's say you add a data, a new the name of the PDF will be AppSheet doc only, same like this, what we created. Okay, so we want it like a customized name. So what we're gonna do in order to customize this one, we have to use a formula. But before we do that, let's go back to our table. You have to view columns. We need to add a new column, which is a virtual column. Okay, so add a virtual column. I can name this as file. Okay, our formula will be concatenate, so meaning we will combine the text. Concatenate. I want the column, let's say, receipt number. Okay, so I want the column receipt number, and I think that's all. Or if you want, you can add some text also. Receipt number. Okay, then you copy this. Let's put receipt number. I think this is okay. All right, so let's copy this. Show. We don't need to show it. Okay, then go to automation. You go to task. You replace this file name. So every time we create a new data, so it will give you the receipt number with that receipt number dash. What's the receipt number? Let's say receipt number dash 1. Then let's click save. Okay, then the next thing that you need to do is we need to add a new table. So new table, instead of using sheets on Google Drive, you use these documents on Google Drive. Then collection of files, then AppSheet data. Look for this file folder. Okay, select. Then you can rename this, create a table. Then you can choose deletes, read only, as you like. So let's say I can delete the file, so it's fine. Then view columns, you don't need to show all of these things. So this one, uncheck, uncheck. So for file, you keep it for path, you keep it for file. And then file column, keep it as text. All right. Then we go to UX, create a new view, go to files. Let's say this is files. I want it as a deck view and keep it as, let's say, rightmost. Okay. Then main image, none. Primary, let's say file name, none. Okay, none also. Then let's go to the files detail. So here you can just put none. Column order, I want only to show the path, which is, path means this is the link. When you click, you goes to the file. Click save. Once you save that one, you need to create a new behavior. So you have to click new action, select in order form. Okay, so let's title this as view receipt. Let's say view receipt. We need to use a option which is go to another view within this app. Then you need to use the formula link to filtered view. Okay. Then what is the name of the view? It's files underscore detail. Okay, we're in the column. Look for the column that we generated. File is equals to file. So this one, this is the file in our order form, and this is the file that we for the PDF. You can see it's green, so the formula meaning it's correct. Then click save. Then you can add an appearance. Let's say I want it like PDF. Display prominently. Click save. So the use of this, when you go here, let's refresh. So the use of this behavior, if you go to your sales history, let's say this one, you can see like this. Okay, view receipt. Okay, since there is still no data, so it goes like that. This is the old. All right. Now we want it every time we add data, every time we click save, it goes directly the PDF here. So in order to do that, you go to order form, not this one, order form. Okay, then when you go down, go to behavior, select the one that we created, view receipt, then click save. So now let's try if we make a new order it will save automatically here. I mean, it will displace the PDF here. So let's try to put some order. Let's say the customer name is Joe, item is espresso 1. I will add another item, caramel, let's say 1, and I will add item, let's say Coca-Cola 1. So the total is 5.3 and I paid $10 by cash. I have change of 4.7. So these are all my order. Now I will save. Let's say if it's displays the PDF here, so the receipt number is 7. Okay, now let's save. So this is the another way to generate PDF and print the order or the receipt. See guys, it displays the receipt number. You can just simply click this one and boom, so here's your receipt. Okay, receipt number 7, name, this is my order, this is the subtotal, discount, and change. Since discount, it will be empty since we did not give in a discount. Okay, so there is just, as you can see my receipt, the discount should be not like this, so you have to review your automation, the format. Okay, you can see it should be not like that, so you go here, so it's missing one like this, so you have to put it. Okay, so now it's okay. Close it, save. Okay, now let's try to add new order. It should not showing discount. Okay, receipt number 8, let's say Joe again. I order espresso 2 and brownie and let's say water. Okay, the total is $3. Let's say I put discount, no discount, let's say payment, I paid 5 by cash, so I have a change of 1.7. so this is all my order. Okay, once I save it, it should be no like this. So let's try. Okay, so receipt number 8, let's click the link, the icon I mean. As you can see, it's empty. Okay, the discount now is empty. Okay, let's try to put with discount. I will order only, let's say 1 cappuccino, and that's all, and the total is how much? $3, and I paid 5 by cash, and I give discount $1. Okay, and let's save. So it's save. Okay, let's wait to load. Receipt number 9, so this is 8, this is 7, so there's an error in our 7 and 8, no discount. This time we apply discount, we'll see. So receipt number 9, I ordered 1 cappuccino large and there's a discount $1, so This is how you just print and you're good to go. So this is the part 3 of my tutorial how to create this POS system. So just take note, you must be a core subscriber. So if you are not a core subscriber, unless you not deploy the app, you can still generate PDF by watching my second video. I show it there. So here you print receipt. Let's say you want to print the receipt number, let's say 5, or let's say number 8. Okay, you save it. You can still generate a PDF, but it may take like some few seconds extra. You can see it's still the same. So either way, you can print PDF. If you don't want to pay the core version, you can go with my second video. I show it there how I created the PDF file. Or otherwise, if you want to pay the paid version, it's very simple. Once you make an order, it generates directly the PDF, which is very convenient. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you learned something in this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in my next video. Okay, thank you so much.